How to fix create list not showing on WhatsApp in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open App Store and search here WhatsApp. First of all, update your WhatsApp. If you have any update of your WhatsApp, then here you can see the update option. After update your WhatsApp app, then go back to your home screen and open settings. Now click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and here you can see the option WhatsApp. Now click on it. Now here you can offload your WhatsApp app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.